The main activities of ZKM Hertz Lab are artistic production as well as media technology research. The areas of AI and machine learning are currently in focus. The Hertz Lab experts Ludger Brümmer, Bernd Linterman, Yasha Jain, and Dan Wilcox developed the interactive installation Agents.
In Agents, we try to show that simple, small algorithms can create a complex behavior. If you have many small algorithms being active and each algorithm is different, you create a scene which is very much like in nature, like flies and bees and humans and animals.
If a visitor approaches a creature, it reacts with simple behaviors. It might grow, retreat, or generate more little creatures.
What we are trying to figure out here is what can we define as a living behavior, what is an intelligent behavior. And you can see that creatures react here intelligently and they are inspired from the real world. Some run from you, some come towards you, and some just, get scared and burst. We try to incorporate a lot of interactivity and also visual interactivity. So when you interact with it, it should immediately give you a feedback. So the moment you enter, you can see the floor reacts to you, every agent reacts to you, and it gives you immediate responses.
To track the movement of the visitor, several Kinect devices are used.
The tracking system works with 6 Kinect-Kameras which are mounted at the ceiling. Their infrared depth sensors are detecting objects even in the dark. The data is collected by another software which then calculates the 3D positions of the person within the space and sends this tracking information to another software called Unity, and in Unity the visualizations and the soundscape is created. This works also for multiple visitors in the space, so multiple people can interact with the agents.
The creatures also utter unique sounds, which move around depending on where in the room the visitors are, thanks to an 8-channel loudspeaker system.
The sounds used try to address each individual. So there's an individual sound for each of the creature. And there's additionally a sound for the visitor. And all of the sounds move to the position of each creature in the scenery. The sounds are like percussive, some of them like plops, some of them are like long tail sounds. And the sounds try to be a little bit homogeneous so that you have one single environment and you have a soft and nice feeling.
The software Zirconium is used to generate the sound. The ZKM Hertz Lab has studied sound spatialization with this software for several years.
The installation uses 8 loudspeakers, and Zirconium is helping the sounds to be at a certain position in the space.
The interactive installation Agents was produced in the context of the exhibition Biomedia, the Age of Media with Lifelike Behavior. The exhibition invited visitors to learn about possible forms of cohabitation between organic and artificial forms of life. It investigated the future of our entanglements with technological assemblages.